Hello investors, my name is Dehan. Welcome back to your number one place for all your investing needs. In today's video, we're going to be looking at 4 potential altcoins to buy on this, bull market type run that we're seeing right now. In the past 24 hours, the market is up about 9.72%. So we're seeing some green finally with a little bit of a bull run going on because of Elon Musk, Cathie Wood, obviously with the B word show that they had, podcast type situation. We saw, a lot of crypto talk, and some of those things that they discussed obviously caused the crypto market to start seeing green, and that's definitely something that we're interested in, which is definitely a positive thing for us crypto investors to see a little bit of a rebound, especially with the market being up over 9% just today. The top gainer in the past 24 hours is actually going to be Polygon, also known as Matic, one of our favorite coins to talk about on the channel. It's up 34% in the past 24 hours, trading at around 89 cents right now. Highest volume is usually Bitcoin, and that's the one that is right now as well. Bitcoin up 4%, right around that 32,000 area. Ethereum up 8% almost, trading around that $2,000 area. And this is all thanks to Elon Musk saying that he owns some Ethereum personally. This definitely helped, Ethereum start to pump on higher. Now, the rest of the coins are all up about 5 to 10%. Obviously some of them being a little bit higher, like Polygon and some of these other ones. 5 to 10% is the average that we are seeing, with some outliers, obviously. So that is usually normal to see as the market is, up. If Bitcoin is up 4% or so, most of these altcoins are going to be up like 5 to 10% or higher, depending on which one, because they tend to outdo whatever Bitcoin does on the upside or the downside, guys. So let's get into this first altcoin. But before we get into it, smash that like button for me, guys. Let's aim for 50 plus likes on this video. Subscribe to the channel. We just hit 37,000 subscribers on the channel. As always, guys, if you want to sign up for Webull, get your 2 free stocks valued up to $2,300. Link to be in the description for that as always. And also, guys, leave a comment below. What crypto are you looking to buy right now? So the first altcoin on our list is going to be Litecoin LTC. So this one is not talked about too much. It used to be a very big coin, maybe about 4 or 5 years ago. It was very popular. It was definitely up there with Bitcoin and Ethereum, top 3 coins for sure. It was kind of like the silver to, it was kind of like the silver to Bitcoin's gold, pretty much type situation right there. So this one is up about 4.89%. It's trading at $117 right now. Current price, it was trading at around $111 at the low down here. So market cap 7.8 billion, volume in the past 24 hours at 1.5 billion. In the past week, this coin is down about 10% or so. So we're still far away from the recovery. Past month down 5.5%, and then on the 1 year chart, this coin is still up about 160% from about $45 all the way to highs up here of about, we hit highs here at $413, $414, and then we obviously saw the pullback to about 140, and then continue to go lower and lower. And right now, obviously, with the whole crypto seeing that light at the end of the tunnel, we're seeing a little bit of a rebound, which is obviously a positive thing for Litecoin and the rest of the crypto market as well. So Litecoin is the cryptocurrency that uses a faster payment confirmation schedule and a different cryptographic algorithm than Bitcoin. So it's a little bit different. Obviously, you guys can, dive on in deeper if you guys want to, get into bigger details with Litecoin, but we've talked about Litecoin many times on the channel, so you guys should be very familiar with it. So that is going to be our number 1 pick right now for a potential rebound play. Our second coin is actually going to be the best one, or the highest gains, I guess you could say, in the past 24 hours, and it's going to be Polygon, also known as Matic. So this is our probably the top 5 coins that we discuss on this channel. We love Polygon, and we've always discussed how there's always a potential play, and right here this was a perfect play from 75 cents all the way to highs of about 96 cents at one point. Pulled back a little bit, came back up to the 90s again. So now it's actually up about 17.69%. It's made a major recovery from the low around this 90 cents area. Market cap at 5.5 billion right now. Volume in the past 24 hours at 2.2 billion, and then the circulating supply at 6.4 billion. So you guys already know, Polygon is an Ethereum token that powers the Polygon network, a scaling solution for Ethereum. Polygon aims to provide faster and cheaper transactions in the Ethereum using the layer 2 sidechain, which are blockchains that run alongside the Ethereum main chain. Users can deposit Ethereum tokens to Polygon smart contract, interact with them within Polygon, and then later withdraw them back to Ethereum main chain. The Matic token is used to pay transaction fees and participate in a proof of stake consensus. So Polygon is a very green coin, a greener coin compared to Bitcoin, which is not the best for the environment. So Polygon is definitely an alternative choice for the future. This one is only down 4% in the past week now with this recovery. We hit a low of about 62 cents. if you bought around this 61, 62 cents area and you sold up here at around 90 to 96 cents, you would have made about a 50% gain in a matter of about 24 hours or so, which is just insanity to think about. In the crypto market, that might not seem like a lot, but in the stock market or in general, just in life, a 50% return on your money in 24 hours is just unheard of. Those are some gains that I personally would take any day of the week, obviously. So in the past week, this one's down 19%. And then obviously on the 1 year chart, it's up over 4,000% from about that 2 cents area last year. Highs of over $2 per coin, $2.68. Pulled back down to about $1.20, $1.09. Came back up again, massive potential once again, and then we've been seeing this downtrend, and now we're hoping for a recovery, obviously, in the whole crypto market that will potentially push crypto back up again. And especially now with Cathie Wood and Elon Musk and everybody else getting involved, this could be the beginning of a next bull market, run towards the end of summer. So we're going to be keeping a very, very close eye out on the crypto to see how it's going to perform the next few days and obviously the next few weeks. Are we going to be seeing that bull run? We don't know yet. It's too soon to say, guys. It's only been 1 day. So we're going to have to definitely keep a very, very close eye on this one and see what happens the next few days. So that is our second altcoin. And now the third altcoin is going to be Internet Computer, ICP. So this one is up 9.49%. Very good dip at $30 right there. Past week, it's down 9.5%. Past month, 9%. Past year, it's still up over 321%, trading at $33 as it was trading at around $8 last year. Here we saw an incredible high at $750. This one was, definitely pumped right there very heavily in May from about 190 or so all the way to 750, which was just out of this world in my opinion. Massive gains for anybody that bought in last year around $10 to $15 or so, or even at the beginning of this year, it was trading at around, $20, $15. So you could have made some massive gains. And then obviously, if you get stuck bag holding from the top, you're not doing very well because now the coin is trading at $33 and we're looking for a bottom now and obviously, reversal. So hopefully we'll see an uptrend in the near future. And especially if crypto continues to go on higher, it will definitely help this one go higher as well. And that's what we're going to be looking for in the next few weeks, like we said. As long as Bitcoin and Ethereum push up, the large cap coins, the mid cap and the low cap coins tend to follow the same trend. So that's going to be what we're going to be looking for. Now, market cap is at 4.5 billion. Volume in the past 24 hours at 267.3 million. Internet Computer is a utility token that allows the users to participate in and govern the Internet Computer blockchain network. The network aims to help developers create websites, enterprise IT systems, internet services, and DeFi applications by installing their code directly on the public internet. ICP can also be staked or converted into cycles that can be used to power computation for dApps and traditional applications. So a very, very interesting coin that we've been, discussing on the channel for a few months now. We're definitely very interested on this one right now as it is very, very cheap. I mean, the market cap is at only 4.5 billion compared to where it was close to 100 billion, earlier this year. Insanity. 10 to 20x potential easily in the next few years could happen, especially in a massive bull run. So then we have the fourth altcoin, and it's going to be Terra, also known as Luna. So Luna is up about 13%, and obviously this is just a momentum play in my opinion. Not a coin that I would hold for a long term, but a momentum play. In the past week, it's actually pretty much flat. Last month, up 42% actually. It's up 42%, and then on the 1 year chart, it's up over 1,700%, guys. This coin was trading at around 38 cents last year, went up here in March to about $22, consolidated for a while, and then we saw the crypto sell off from $15 all the way down to about $4 or so. And ever since then, that was the low. We've been on a higher, higher than that. So we've been trying to, push back up from the lows of $4 all the way up to about here, about $8.42. So if you would have bought at the low and sold at the top, you would have made about 100% return right there, doubled your money very easily. But obviously you always have that risk reward situation going on. So market cap at 2.9 billion on Terra, volume in the past 24 hours at 223.9 million. So this is definitely an interesting one, guys. But as always, just with these cryptos in general, I'm not a financial advisor. So this is all for just entertainment purposes. Before investing into crypto or stocks or anything in general, always talk to your financial advisor and do your own due diligence, obviously, because it's a high risk, high reward type situation. I'm personally just looking at these for potential buys in the future. It doesn't mean that I'm going to be buying this today. It just means that If the price is right, I could potentially buy some for a momentum play, especially if it continues to do like it is right now with this 13% gain pretty much in the past 24 hours. From the down, low, you right here from $6 to 6.91. Very interesting, guys. So those are the four altcoins. Now let's take a look and see what the rest of the market is doing, like Bitcoin. So like we said, huge momentum from that 30,000 area last night or about 24 hours ago, all the way up here to about highs of about almost 33,000 at one point. Market cap being at 598 million, or pardon me, 598 billion in the past week. It was good. We did not go below that $28,000 area, so that was very interesting. In the past month, if you look, Bitcoin is literally flat. So for any long-term holders, you're literally, just a roller coaster right there, up, down, up, down. In the past year, it's up over 239% from about $9,000 or so, all the way to highs of 64,000. Then we saw this pullback, and we've been consolidating for 2 months, guys. 2 months of consolidation between 30,000 or about, let's just say, the $28,000 area and about the 38 to 40,000 area. We've been consolidating up and down for 2 months now, and we're waiting for some momentum, and we might see it right now. We're going to be watching it, like we said, the next few days. It's going to be very, very crucial, especially what happens over the weekend, because over the weekend, crypto tends to sell off, and we definitely don't want that to happen. So we're hoping for this weekend to be a little bit different, and for crypto to trend on higher. So that's going to be what we're going to be looking for. Now, Ethereum, like we said, big news where Elon Musk said he owns some Ethereum. So this one is up about 6.7%, almost at $2,000. Actually, the high was over 2,000 at one point from the low at 1850. Market cap 232 billion. In the past week, it's flat. In the past month, it's actually up 5%, which is nice return right there. If that was the stock market, that would be a great return. In a year, you would get about a 10% return, so a 5% return in a month. Very nice. In the past year, this one's up 663% from about $279 to the highs of 4,400 with the pullback now. Consolidation area once again for the past 2 months, just like the rest of the crypto that we're talking about. Same type of pattern. Doge is trading at 19 cents. Obviously, it's just following the trend. And Elon Musk also, talked about Doge a little bit, so it pumped up higher to about 21 cents again, up 6% or so. Market cap 24.6 billion. Past week is down 3%. Past month, it's actually up 7%. And then on the 1-year chart, up over 5,700%. But Doge, once again, I don't like to talk too much about Doge because in my opinion, it is a meme coin and it's just a kind of like a pump type situation. Whenever we see a bull run type situation like this, Doge is going to follow the trend obviously and continue to go higher. But when we see that downside, Doge is going to sink even further and further, guys. So that's just my take on Doge and just just in general the crypto market. So guys, those are the 3 altcoins, or actually the 4 altcoins that we're going to be looking at right now. If you guys enjoyed that video, smash that like button for me, subscribe to the channel, turn on that bell notifications to get notified every time I make a new video. And if you guys want to sign up for Webull and get your 2 free stocks, value up to $2,300, links in the description for that. Leave a comment below. What crypto are you watching right now, and what do you think is going to happen in this crypto market? I hope you guys enjoyed this, and hope to see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.